So I'm just about to apologise in advance of the next video. It's bad. It's really bad. This isn't much better, but yeah, it's pretty bad. The quality's bad, the filming's bad, everything about it's bad. But it's a really cool mini body kit that I've got. So watch the next bit, but just apologise. No editing. One take was creating crappy content. Good afternoon, everybody. It's Sunday, the something or other, 22nd maybe. So I'm just sorting out the new workshop, hence it's very echoey in here. New ramp, dyno, everything's going up, racking's going up, blah-de-blah-de-blah, and a sofa. And I remembered that I bought this. Now, what do I do with this? So this is a classic mini body kit. I think it was called the Mini Cos kit, but I'm not 1,000,000% sure if this is actually all of it. Now, I'll show you in a minute why, but I have to say, I feel like building a car around it, apart from with a Clubman bonnet, because I just don't like bum noses, round noses. But these front arches, I love. They're like 6 or 4 arches on a Mini. You'll see why I say that. They're pretty cool, and I know some people run these on their rallycross minis already, etc. But then we come to the spoiler. 80s, 90s retro max power Mini Cosworth spoiler. It's amazing, and I might have to put that on the red Mini. I'm shaking it all over the place, sorry about that. So I might have to put that on the red Mini for the fastest Mini in the world race. But then I'm also thinking, well, do I put this kit on the red Mini for the fastest Mini in the world race? I'm not sure is the answer to that. I don't want to, because I like my red Mini. But then do I build a new Mini around this shell? Or do I build a Mini pickup, which is something that I'm kind of thinking about doing as a race car with these arches and stuff on, which would look pretty mad. So there we have it, people. Or do I make moulds of it and sell it? Sorry, look, this camera work is absolutely dog shit, so I do apologise. I am getting a DJI Osmo thing this week, I think it's coming. But I just thought I'd do that just to see what people think as to whether it's worth doing anything with it, or do I just sell it? Do I just sell it and stop being a twat and building more cars? Although I have got an engine coming for it, but do I get rid of it? Or do I build another 777 Motorsport Mini? Mental, crazy, A-series. Yeah, so that's just a little bit of feedback. The dyno, as much as it doesn't look like it's great at the minute, is here. The new ramp is in. And this, I think I've told people before, this workshop is going to be storage of the race cars, because the other workshop is for building race cars. And also this is going to be for in and out servicing of minis and small cars, anything mini, classic, old, new, R series, F series we'll do, you know, your regular stuff on it. But yeah, so that's where we're at. I just thought I'd update it, but yeah, go back to this kit. What do we reckon, people? People, like I've got a fucking 1,000,000 followers. But yeah, anyone interested or wants to talk to me about it, give me a shout.